Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue when you're modifying registry values and it says cannot create key. You do not have the requested permissions to create a new key under security. So other factors that could lead to this error include using a standard account interference from third-party programs or running the registry editor without administrative privilege. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the solutions we will do is to grant necessary security permissions. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? All you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung registry editor. Ayan, so makikita mo kaagad dito yung registry editor, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-tap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na itong registry editor, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin dito mag-select. So, select natin dito yung HK current user. So, select and right-click. And then, next step ay select mo lang dito yung permissions. So, dito sa kanyang permissions, and then, next step ay dito lang sa for special permissions or advanced settings, i-click mo lang dito yung advanced. And dito sa kanyang advanced security settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung add. So, click mo lang yan. And dito sa kanyang permissions for entry, and makikita mo dito yung principal. So, select a principal. So, i-click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa kanyang select user or group, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung advanced. And dito sa kanyang advanced settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung find now. So, click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-locate your user account name account. So, kailangan mo lang i-locate yan, yung account username. So, select mo lang siya. And the next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung OK. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And then, dito sa permissions for entry, makikita mo dito yung basic permissions. So, i-check mo lang dito yung for control. And then, dito sa baba, i-click dito yung OK. And then, click apply. And i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And i-click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix error creating key or error creating value in the registry editor. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.